Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Wood Revival. Today we're giving new life to a vintage set of wooden stacking tables. With a bit of TLC, they'll be looking brand new. Let's dive in. These tables have definitely seen better days. We've got some scratches, water rings, and someone's painted them in a couple different colours and then attempted to sand it off. As always, we'll start by wiping these down with simple green and a rag to remove all the dirt and grime. Next we'll sand with 120 grit and a random orbit sander on the tops, and on the legs I used a mouse sander and did a lot of hand sanding. It took a while to get all the paint off, but once it was gone I went over everything with 320 grit. One of the tabletops was separating from the legs, so I squeezed some wood glue into the gap, wiped off the excess, then I clamped it and cleaned up the squeeze out, and then I left it to dry overnight. Before applying oil, I wiped down the tables with alcohol and a rag to clean off any dirt and dust. Now they're ready to finish. I used Danish oil. I applied 3 coats, then I wiped off the excess and I let it dry for 24 hours. Let's have another look at how they started and how they turned out. There you have it, these vintage stacking tables are restored to their former glory. It took a lot of sanding, but all that paint came off to reveal the beautiful wood underneath. I'm really happy with how these turned out. If you enjoyed this makeover, like and subscribe for more DIY Wood Revival projects. Thanks for watching.